Okay, while we're on the topic of conditional formatting, there's one pro tip that I just have to share with you guys, and it's using a combination of data bars with an invisible text effect to create a really nice visualization. So first things first, let's go ahead and clear these flags that we had set in the last lecture. And what I want to do here is pull in a second instance of gross revenue. So even though it's already inserted into the pivot, I can just drag that field again and create a second instance of revenue. And the reason I'm going to do this is because I'd like to have one column that continues to just show me the raw values themselves on their own, and a second version of the column to treat purely as my visualization column. So like I showed you in the last lecture, I could just select the values, go into conditional formatting, and add data bars here. That works okay. My problem with this is that I don't like the overlap between the numbers and the visuals themselves. I think it's a little bit messy, it's tough to read, so I really want to get the numbers out of this second instance, especially since I'm going to keep them preserved in the first instance of my gross revenue column. So a lot of people will tell you, okay, yeah, you can select the data and you can do a font size of 1 or something like that, or maybe choose your font white, and that will get you 90% of the way there usually. But you still have some weirdness like this, and it doesn't always do what you expect it to do. So I'm going to undo those changes and show you a better approach, and that's using a custom number format. So I'm going to right click and go into number format, and down here in the custom option, I can type a specific custom cell format here. And here's the key. If you type 3 consecutive semicolons and press OK, that tells Excel to make the font invisible. And that's exactly what we're trying to do here. So now we've got the numbers themselves and the associated data bar. So we've got a really nice visualization that tells the story very well. So there you go. Pro tip, using data bars combined with custom cell formats to create a really cool visualization effect.